gas is started. We have Real Thunder very quickly at the start, moving up by the rail to take the lead is Grand Affair, and on the outside DreamWorks, Socialeros, while Bonita is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Grand Affair by a length and a half. DreamWorks is right behind in second, moving up on the outside. Real Thunder, Socialeros comes next, while Bonita still in fifth, half mile distance. They travel. We have Grand Affair this time by about 2 lengths, and in second comes DreamWorks, moving up on the outside. Real Thunder next on line is Socialeros, while Bonita is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, we have Grand Affair by about 2 lengths. Real Thunder in second. DreamWorks is down in third. Next on line, Socialeros, while Bonita is still running at the tail of the field. And Diana when entering the home stretch, we have Grand Affair this time draws clear by about 4 lengths. Real Thunder still in second with about 100 meters of the race. The program opener belongs to the outstanding favorite Grand Affair, and finally it's Grand Affair, Real Thunder, Socialeros.
2-4-3. Bihado.